I'll post the swan. I'm gonna put under all the powder now. Girl, why? Foca, fired. You're gonna get fired on your day off like me. You can't fire me, I'm gonna fire you. Can we add more liquid? Yes, I have liquid available for 10. I have less oil for 10. Gain Mr. Clean liquid, Mr. Clean is 10. Unstoppables, Mr. Clean is 10. I have lemon Lysol for 5, coconut Lysol for 5. I have Pine Glow for $3, Pine Floral Penalum for $3. I have lavender fabuloso for 5. Foca, I'm gonna fire you, girl. You better not. You better not. You got a Walmart bag. Yes, if you know me, if you've been following me and watching me, you know I wear a bag on my hair because I don't want my scalp to get dry from the Comet. My scalp will get like flaky and dry when if Comet powder goes like in between my scalp. So that's why I'm like protecting my scalp. Oh, the watery side, yes. What are you doing? What is all that? I haven't added the dish soap at all because I want to do the glass. Oh, fuck, I always forget. Glass stain? I don't know. But we're going to add all the dish soap together on top of the sponges. Liquid, please. The stained glass. Yes. The stained glass. Thank you. I'm over here trying to like remember what it's called. Man, this is why I don't like having a big pool because I am already tired. This is a big pool. I have to be stretching myself. I have to go all the way around. Okay, let's add the last of the powder. That is so much powder. I need to zoom out, guys, because this is a lot of powder. There's no more cans going in. I have 22 cans of Comet. Can somebody send for more? Let me zoom out, because holy shit, that's a lot of powder. Can you guys see that? I think it looks better now. I need more. Let's get to 100K. Everybody tap together to 100K. Let's add some baking soda. Oh man. I'm still checking for puzzle because I'm scared. That's a lot of powder. How many cans are left on top to gain? Let me see. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 cans to be sold out. Oh no, here I go drinking a lot of water. I drink so much water. I'm gonna try not to drink right now a lot because I'm always going to the bathroom. I sent for gain. Thank you. Where did you send to? Oh, I see it. Thank you for sending. I'm gonna add your box right now. I have one more box. Thank you, my love. I sent 10 for cans. Woo. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 5. Wow, thank you so much. My powder is almost sold out. Yo, I hope my stained glass is perfect. Is BBM here? I'm gonna try to do the powder play a little bit for her. I've been live for almost 2 hours, I think. If you don't follow me, hit that follow real quick. Share the live.